All right, here we go. Today's homework, 6-4. For the first part, 1 through 4, you are going to have to write an equivalent fraction. That means write an equal fraction to a mixed number. Basically, what you have to do for 1 through 4 is change the mixed number into an improper fraction, okay? So number 1 is 6 and 2/5. And in order to change this into an improper fraction, here's what I think. I think, okay, it has 6 holes. And for each of those holes, there are 5 pieces in it. So I have 6 groups with 5 in each. I'm going to have to multiply 6 times 5. When I multiply 6 times 5, I get 30 pieces in those candy bars. But I also still have 2 little pieces left over. So I now have to add 30 plus 2. When I add 30 plus 2, I get 32/5. 6 and 2/5 is equivalent. It's the same as 32/5. I know this because each of my 6 holes has 5 pieces. So I just count by 5s, or I do 6 times 5. Then I add on the extra pieces left over, giving me my improper fraction. You can also remember, look at your chart, and it shows you how to do that. It should be in your math folder. Okay, so that's number 1. Now let's do the opposite. I'm going to go to number 9 on your homework because that makes sense. Numbers 9 through 12 are changing improper fractions into mixed numbers. The directions are going to say, write the equivalent mixed number. That means write the equivalent is equal, the mixed number that's equal to it. You just have to change it. So I've got 57s. And now it's so improper, I need to change it into a mixed number. I want to know how many groups of 7 are in 50. Because for each group of 7, that's going to be 1 whole candy bar. So I'm going to do 50 divided by 7. And I'm going to see how many groups of 7 are in there. Well, if I do my count by 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, and I can't keep going, so I'm going to do 7 holes. That means that this has 7 whole entire candy bars because I was able to count by 7s all the way to 7 holes. Now I'm going to figure out how many pieces are left over. Well, 7 times 7 is 49, and 50 minus 49 is 1. So that means I have 1 piece left over, and I'm going to put that over top of my denominator of 7. So that 57ths is the same thing as 7 whole candy bars and 1/7 of a piece left over. Now I always check because it's so fast to check. Watch how I can check this so fast. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 1 is 50, 57ths. Yep, I got it correct. You're going to continue to do this with the rest of these on your homework assignment. Look at your chart if you need help, okay?